Hello there. I've recently lost the ticking sound when you press on the foot brake pedal. So I thought there was something very simple that I can fix on my own. And it turned out to be this this little plastic here. It's fastened to the pedal with a bolt, with a plastic bolt on this side. See this one? It's a bit hard to record. Okay, this is it. So I bought one from the Mercedes-Benz dealer for $5, and the fix was very simple. Now I'm going to show you the plastic itself. Right now it's on the pedal. To remove the old one, I just put a screwdriver here, see here, and then I pried it like this, and it just popped off without breaking this plastic bolt here. You might in fact break this bolt too. In that case you will have to buy that one, but in my case I didn't have to because I didn't break it. It was a very easy thing to just take this plastic off the bolt, and then to remove the plastic from the pedal itself, I pushed the pedal as far as I could so that I could have room inside here. And as you can see, there are these teeth that this plastic touches every time you push the pedal and makes that clicking noise. So you just take that off, and then you insert the new one from behind here. I did myself like that. So you put it like this onto the bolt, and there is a if you can see, there is a metal, some tab, let's say, that this one is holding on to, apart from the bolt itself. And after that, my ticking sound is back. Here's the part itself. I've taken apart from the car. The broken part is here. There was supposed to be another plastic attachment like this one. You know, these two attachments are there to make sure that this piece doesn't hang like this, because on the inner side of the pedal there's a metal knob that should be in between these two attachments or clips. I don't know how to call it. So it stays like this, you know, it doesn't let it go in this direction and in this direction. See? It just moves like this, and that's all. And you insert the plastic bolt into this hole, and when you put it on the pedal, it's not a big deal. You just go from behind the pedal and push this onto the plastic bolt, and make sure that that knob comes in between these two teeth. You just need a prying tool or any screwdriver to help you snap it into the place, and you just pry it in the opposite direction that you pried when you took this piece off. My car is a Mercedes-Benz W202, but I'm pretty sure that this is common in many other Mercedes-Benz cars like W210, W203, 211. It's pretty common, and it cost me $5 from Mercedes-Benz dealership. Okay, have a good day. I hope this video helps you.